Hi, my name's George, and I'm doing a video on credit unions. Credit unions are cooperative. Credit unions use different terminology than banks. Credit unions are not for profit because their purpose is to serve their members rather than maximize profit. Added member benefits such as low rates and fees. They have fewer ATMs than banks do. Your membership is restricted. You can join based on your employer, family, location, or membership of a group. In school, credit unions, branches, small business needs, the cooperative structure of a credit unions create a cycle of mutual assistance towards the common goal of the financial well-being of members. One member's savings becomes another member's loan. Examples of credit unions in Alabama would be One South Credit Union, Alabama Teachers Credit Union, Redstone's Credit Union, Community Credit Union, and Family Savings Credit Union. If you get a loan at a credit union, you're more than likely to know who's going to service your loan. Sticking with the same server can save you from late fees that could arise due to confusion over where to send your payments. They also offer special programs to appeal to first-timers. You can join a credit union at the age of 16. You have to find out if you're eligible to join one. You can change lesser-known fees. After text, banking, and fraud alerts, that's what they offer. Some credit unions differ to send alerts when your balance dips below a certain amount. That way you are notified when your balance dips below a certain amount. That way you are notified when you're close to overdrawing your account. You may also have the option of receiving notifications when a large transaction is made using your funds. You can set that limit. If you see a transaction that you didn't authorize, contact your credit union immediately. Enforce daily ATM withdrawal limits, which is controlled by how much cash you can take out of it at one time a day. You also want to read the fine print, and you don't hesitate to ask any questions to maximize your account. Whether you use a commercial bank or credit unions, you take a part in a risk of identity theft. Identity theft is when someone gets your card or your card's number and they use the card as your identity to make purchases like it was you. It can go so far that they can put you in debt. To prevent identity theft, some things you can do is use secure passwords, avoid obvious passwords, protect your privacy, know the privacy policy, don't share information, know what to do if this ever happens to you, and most importantly, monitor your stuff. This is my part in the credit union video.
Hi, my name's Carly, and I'm going to continue on with the credit unions. Credit unions in the U.S. had 5 times lower failure rates than other banks during the financial crisis. Credit unions are a member-owned financial. Credit unions are easier to work with. You have to become a member at a credit union in order to work with it. They provide a place to save and borrow at reasonable rates. Members share a common bond. Your deposits are insured up to $250,000 by another federal agency, the National Credit Union Administration. They might provide financial education outreach to customers. There is more flexibility and fewer complications with credit unions. One member's savings becomes another member's loan. Some more examples of credit unions in Alabama: America's First Federal Credit Union, Max Credit Union, Family Security Credit Union, and Alabama One Credit Union. And that's all we have for credit unions.